Today guys, I show you how to exchange TikTok coins for money or money for coins. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. All you need to do guys, just log in on your TikTok on your PC or on your mobile. The process is same. When you log in on your account like me, move here on right corner and click on get coins. You will see this icon on your mobile too. Get coins, click on it. After that you will see this new tab. As you can see, get coins. In this section you can exchange or buy coins on TikTok. How to exchange TikTok coins? In this case just click here exchange for coins and you will get from money your coins. How to buy coins? Just choose how much you will coins and go here recharge. Payment method with Visa or PayPal. Click here recharge and choose your payment method. And that's it all guys for this video, how to exchange TikTok coins or how to buy TikTok coins. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.